Sup, cool kids? Welcome to another episode where I open a random booster pack of Beyblades. This is random volume 23 B176. Trying to get this Death Scyther, maybe this Hollow Valkyrie. Last time you've probably seen I pulled Pegasus, Drasil, and Archer Hercules. Let's see what we got. I only have this one pack, so this is gonna be a really quick episode. Knife. Cut. Pull. Oh wait, there's another sticker over here. There we go. Alright. Don't need that sticker. What do we got? We got 1, 2, 3. Alright. 3. I don't know if that's a good sign or not. Driver. Disc. Beyblade. Alright. So, I'm not gonna deal with that because it's always fun to just keep those blind. But this feels chunky. What could it be? What could it be? Guesses. You got throw your guesses around before you see it. Whew. Oh. Abyss longness. Very sick. Very sick. Let's unwrap this sweet little baby. Oh, that's very sick. The driver is... I forget what the driver is. Ooh, it's a Spiral Dash. Longness. Alright, let's sticker this baby up and I'll be right back. And I'm back and it's all stickered up. So this thing only came with 5 stickers, and the little dots here, and the little extras over here, and one for the Spiral Dash, which is very cool. Just for comparison, here is Abyss Longness, Diabolus Ring, Rage Longness chip. No comparison just for this. This is what we're all looking for, the 4A brand new chassis. One side's heavier than the other. I think this side's heavier. Teeth, it has 2 teeth, or 3 teeth, 2 grooves, but these are some deep clicks. It comes with a 13 disc, but yeah, let's try to get this on. 1, 2, yeah, 2 solid clicks, and that's it. But because attack, it's very hard clicks, especially with that dash driver. It's very cool, very cool. But yeah, this is what I pulled from that booster. If you guys want to see it in some battles, see some actions, let me know. We'll do some funsies with it. Also, here's a quick look comparison of the Spiral from Zwei Longness. This is purple. You can kind of do this thing going if you want, if you don't have. But you'll still need a 4A chassis. Don't know where you're going to get one of these. Oh, that actually looks really good. Just make one at home. But this is probably the cheaper choice because this is a prize layer. This isn't. It's a really nice blue though. Very good. Alright. And as always, like, follow, subscribe, comment, all those fun things. Let me know what you think. Alright. Peace out, cool kids.